Hi, I'm Vivian Dancy, a scheduling coordinator here at TemPositions team. Here at our team, we're always searching for qualified candidates like yourself. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for a customer service representative position. Some of the responsibilities would include maintaining a positive, empathetic, and professional attitude toward customers at all times, processing orders, forms, applications, and requests, knowing our products inside and out so that you can answer all customer questions, keeping records of customer interactions, transactions, comments, and complaints. If you have a high school diploma, general education degree, or equivalent, ability to stay calm when customers are stressed or upset, and experience working with customer support, you can be a great fit for this role.
We are aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opportunity will not last. Apply soon. I look forward to meeting you.